In today's time, saving and cooperation are very important. Here in Occidental Mindoro, there is an organization that teaches discipline, saving, and unity, the Payumpon Development Cooperative, a multi-purpose cooperative that aims to help its members save, be thrifty, and achieve progress. Payumpon Development Cooperative is a multi-purpose cooperative with a mission to educate its member on the importance of saving, budgeting, and planning for a better future.
When we first started, my first came asking for bigger loans. Not realizing their problem wasn't a lack of money, but a lack of budgeting. They were using high interest debt for daily needs instead of investing.
Our motto becomes, we don't just need money, we teach prosperity. Literacy is the best interest rate we can offer.
The reality of financial hardship often stems from a lack of basic knowledge on managing income.
Paano ka agad ito pagkakasakay? Ito na lang kaya? Ano ba yun? Masyadong mahal? Hindi ka sa budget? Kulang budget na.
For many, earning money is the easy part. The real challenge is making that money work for you. How do you save for the future when the day's needs are so pressing?
Alam niyo ba kung paano sumali sa Payumpon Cooperative?
Ano kaya bawat requirements mo?
Paano kaya pipila po niya? Sa pagkakaalam ko, mahirap yun eh.
Try kaya natin.
Kaya nga, try natin. Ikaw, try natin.
Becoming a member is simple. It begins with attending a financial literacy seminar where participants learn the value of saving, budgeting, and the benefits of cooperative membership. After the seminar, applicants accomplish a membership form and provide their share capital contribution, a symbol of their commitment as official members of the cooperative. Through this process, members not only contribute financially but also gain essential knowledge on managing their finances wisely.
I used to mix my personal money with the small cash. I never knew what making money or just running. After the class, I have a budget. I finally separate the two, and for the first time, I have a real emergency fund in my coop savings.
Ayan, hindi po tayo lahat. Ang mga bago hindi po, hindi ka. Ang video naman po, sabihin nyo, kooperatiba may katatagan. Kooperatiba may katatagan. Yan.
At Payumpon Development Cooperative, cooperation is the true investment.
Para nalinga pa. Ano? Para...
Bukan tayo sa akin, dito ka na tumingin.